So it's my first time on board the AquaMouse. This is the water coaster on top of the Disney Treasure cruise ship. If you've been on the Disney Wish, they also have an AquaMouse, but this show we're gonna see in this is called Curse of the Golden Egg is what it's called. So what's different, if you've been on water coasters before, you know the conveyor belt thing where you're sitting on this, it's pretty similar, but what Disney's done is they've created a tunnel on the way up, and there are video screens on both sides of you on the way up where they give you kind of a show. So you're going through a story as you're going through this. And if you've ever been on a water coaster before, you know they use water to propel you throughout the ride. So you're gonna see this like avalanche of water come from behind me and absolutely soak me during this. At least that's what I suspect is gonna happen. So here we go, going up the incline here.
If the golden egg is what you saved from Mommy's curse, you will win. Yeah, right.
So you got that cool, we're picking up a little speed here. You got the old school Mickey animation. Another screen up here on your left. Oh, the temple. Oh, I'm getting sprayed. I'm getting sprayed. All right, did not expect that coming. Here we go. Oh, there's darts coming out of the walls. Ah! Hey! I don't know why I'm freaking out because I'm about to get soaking wet. All right, we're still going up. There's another screen over here. Yep. Ah, God. All right. Woo. You can see the lighting effects in here as well, which is really neat. All right, here we go. Snakes. We got snakes that are spitting. The snakes are spitting. Ah. Another video screen in the temple. Oh, we got a mummy. Goofy. Oh, yeah. It's like they're based in the turkey here before you get onto the full ride. Oh, just, yeah. This is on the 12th deck of the cruise ship, by the way, so it gets hot when you're out there in the Caribbean, so this actually feels kind of good. The egg is hatched, and Donald Duck's in it, and we're getting to the top of the lift here. You see the water going. Yeah, we're gonna be in a tunnel for quite a while, so it's gonna get dark. Oh, come on, that's cold. Woo! All right, here we go, cooking through the tunnel. Ooh, we got some nice luminescence here. That's the sunlight coming through that hits those grooves that are colored. And we're still going, a little bit of a turn. Now we're going up. Oh, first launch. Here comes the water. Yep. Another launch. Here comes the water. Oh, I told you. Woo! And you can see through. Look at the ocean out the side here. Just spectacular. Oh, back in the dark. Woo! And that's it. So, you know, not the fastest. Oh, there's Mickey and Minnie up there. And not the fastest of water coasters, but you're on top of a cruise ship, which is really cool. And the movie screen's really giving another touch. You got to be 42 inches to ride, 48 inches to ride by yourself, but definitely fun for all ages here. It is a Disney cruise after all. So
welcome back.
If you head on a treasure and you tried this out, let me know what you think.
Just the dog. Then step out to your right. See ya.